We've come a long way since we were strangers in a basement at a party we hated, trying to make conversation the night it was taken. Didn't have a clue that someday I'd be something more than just a boy in a Polaroid with you. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I've got the new Keith Urban song to teach you. Alright, it's called Polaroid. I actually just didn't even know he'd come out with one, and then I saw it on it. He was talking about it on Instagram, so I thought I would teach it to you guys because it's a really good song. So, to everyone who's subscribed, you are going to be one of the first people to see this. So thank you so much for subscribing. To those of you who haven't subscribed, if you find it useful, please subscribe, okay? So let's get right into it. Alright, awesome song. Capo on the 1st fret, standard tuning. We're going to use some pretty basic chords and then some little ones that are not so basic. And the strumming pattern is pretty fast, like you have to switch from chord to chord pretty quickly throughout the song, so you'll have to follow along pretty well. Okay, so this one took me a few minutes to figure out, especially with the strumming pattern, but the strumming pattern actually is not that difficult. So the chords that you're going to use, alright, you're going to use G, and I would recommend using this G. This one's been hard for me in this one, so do this G. Okay. So you're going to use that G, and then you're going to use A minor 7, all right, just like that. A minor 7, and then you're going to do E minor 7, the easiest chord ever. And I just think it's easy to switch from A minor 7 like that to just E minor 7 just by putting your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? All right, so that's E minor 7, and then D. And that's the chord progression for most of the song, except for in the bridge. You are also going to use, so you're going to use C add 9. Another one's pretty easy. And this one might trip you up a little bit because it's not a super common chord. Okay, so you're going to use B minor 7. Okay? So B minor 7, if you don't know it, is, I think it's easiest if you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay? And then you're going to put your ring finger on the 2nd fret. These are all on the 2nd fret, by the way. On the 2nd fret on the G string. And then you're going to put your pinky on the 2nd fret on the little E string. Okay, that's how it sounds. All right, it's a beautiful sounding chord. It's just like I've only encountered a couple other songs where you use it. So anyway, I'm going to show you how, like, where the chords all go and the order they go. Okay. So the intro is going to be G, A minor 7, E minor 7, D. Okay, you're going to play that twice. So it's G, A minor 7, E minor 7, D. G, A minor 7, E minor 7, D. Okay, and that's how you play the intro. You play it twice. Now the strumming pattern for the intro and for the chorus are the same. So I'm going to teach that to you right now. So it's down, up, down, up. So down, up, 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 down, up. So if we go slower, it's down, up, down, up. So you go down, up, 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 down, up. I want you to be able to see how I slowed it down a little bit, so how the strumming goes, but also when I'm doing it on each chord. Because you in this song, other than the pre-chorus, you never stay on the same chord for very long, and even then, it's not very long. So there's a lot of quick. I don't know why I did this, but it's not like that. But it's just very like. You're just moving, you're changing chords quite a bit. So you'll have to get ready for that. Now, even in the verses, you switch chords pretty fast, but you don't strum near as fast, okay? So it goes like, it's the same chord progression. It's G, A minor 7, E minor 7, D, over and over and over, okay? Now, the way that you're going to do it is you're going to strum slower, though. You're going to go, sometimes I feel forget for who we were back then. Saturday night, stealing cold beer and cigarettes at a house we didn't know, wearing our vintage clothes. Looking back at this photo, I remember. Okay, so that's the whole first verse. So you're gonna go down, up, down. So, sorry, I'm doing it wrong now. Sometimes I forget. So it's. That, okay? So you're going to do sometimes I feel forget for who we were back then. See that? Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. then that's very easy. Now, you'll notice at the end of it, you go, looking at this photo, oh, I remember. So you go right into the pre-chorus, which is, so the last word of the verse is photo on the first one, and you're just gonna go straight into it. This is the timing. It's kind of, took me a little bit, it was tough. So you go, photo, oh, I remember. It's, oh, I remember is the pre-chorus. So you're going, oh, I remember on D. So this is where you go to D. Remember someone is C add 9, someone saying smile. B minor 7 is smile. Okay, so you're just going down, down, down on that. Down, down. Who would have thought we'd still be smiling now? Okay. So on B minor 7, you're doing down, down, down every time, okay? So the starting from this is, oh, I remember. So you're down, 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 up, okay? Oh, I remember someone saying. So you go, I remember, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay. Oh, I remember someone saying smile. Who would have thought we'd still be smiling now? Okay. So on B minor 7 both times you're doing, all right, and then you're gonna mute and go into the chorus, and then you're gonna go, we've come a long way since we're strangers in a basin. Okay, just like that. And then after you play the chorus, you're gonna play the chord progression of the chorus through twice, just without any lyrics. Okay, and then you go back into the second verse and you go slower. Too many times, okay. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Oh, I remember someone saying smile. Would have thought we'd still be smiling now. Okay, and then you mute and go back into it. So that's the whole song. There's no bridge that's going to be hard or anything. That's just the entire thing. It's an awesome new song. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. It was a fun song to learn, but it's a little bit tricky, so stick with it, because I know you can do it, but just stick with it, okay? Yeah, because at first, B minor 7, the first time I ever did it, like, it was a little bit different. I wasn't used to it, but now it's like crazy easy for me. So anyway, just that's the biggest piece of advice I give to anyone playing guitar, is just stick with it. Just be consistent, okay? You guys can do this song. It's awesome. It's not super difficult. It's a little bit, but it's not super difficult, all right? Well, thanks, guys. It's been real. I'll see you next time.